That slime's keeping the sand from sticking together! Grand Sand Mausoleum!
There's no way.
Hail?
It's a clone composed of oil, while its interior is water. The oil on its surface increases in temperature precipitously, which in turn causes rapid vaporization of the water inside, resulting in a steam explosion. And when the hail cools it, it shrinks back down to its original size.
There was gold dust hidden away within that sand clone from earlier. I took advantage of that thing's heat to melt and then bond the gold to it.
It's been a while since I've had this much fun.
How naive of you, Onoki. You completely missed me fragmenting.